Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is about change. You know they say the only thing that's constant is change. And that is true, isn't it? Whether it's changes that you want to see in your personal life, in your love relationships, in your platonic relationships, in your leadership or in your business, change can sometimes be evasive and it can sometimes be very challenging. And so the topic today will help to give you 9 steps that you can take to facilitate change. Now I'm going to split the video into 2 parts. I'll deal with 4 of those changes today, and next time we will talk about the additional 5 changes. What I would like you to do is to get a pen and paper or your journal, and let's work through this exercise as though we're in class. We're going to tackle a topic of change that you want to see as I outline the steps and invite you to work along with me to facilitate this. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first process of change is awareness. Of course, you can't change anything before you are aware of what it is that you want to change. You may have some kind of discomfort somewhere in your life, something that feels unpleasant for you, or in a relationship, or in your business, or in your leadership experience if you're leading an organization. I've been a leader in an organization, several organizations, as a matter of fact, over decades of my career. And so I understand the dynamics of change and the challenges that that can present if all of these steps are not in place. So my first recommended step, as I said, is awareness, and you must be aware of the problem. The second step is framing the problem. You must frame the problem in a way that makes it really practical. The people who are involved with you, what are they complaining about? What is the issue? What is the collective consensus on what this problem may be? Sit and work that through. Figure it out. Because if you're not clear about what the problem is, what you will be targeting will not produce the required effect. So once you have framed the problem, then the buy-in will come along with that. So we're still on step 2. People will buy into your change strategies if you can frame it in a way that benefits them. Have them see what the long-term benefits will be for them in their life, and they will buy in. The third step is you really want to plan your goals. You want to target your goal. What is it that you really would like that change to look like? Visualize it. Right now, if you even have to pause the video and figure out, what do you want it to look like? Is it in your life? Are you having some challenges there? What do you want that to look like? Is it in your relationship? What do you want that to look like? Is it with your children, your family, your friends, your coworkers? Is that with someone else that you really would like to see the problem resolved with? Figure out that end result and what it looks like. Once you get through that step, the fourth and final step in this video is to lay out your plan, your strategies. Step 1, what is the first thing you need to do to tackle this? What is the next thing you need to do? and so on and so forth, and write those steps down. You may even want to divide those into phases. Phase one, you're going to tackle maybe attitudes. Phase two, you're going to tackle the resources that people have available to them. Whatever it is for your specific situation, you may want to divide it into phases. Because I find if you thrust change all at once, people may rebel and they may find it difficult to take the first step towards your change. So tackle it in phases. So, in review, let's just look at what we talked about. And then I hope that you will be able to leave a comment below on what it is that you feel that you want to work on once we get through this video. First step, be aware. What is the problem? What are you complaining about? What is it that others are complaining about? If you're working with others, frame the issue so you can have buy-in. How is it that they are describing this problem? And how is it that you can make this beneficial to their interest? Speak to whatever their needs are. The next thing is to target your goal. What is the goal? What do you want it to look like once you get through all of these steps? Do you want your life to flow with ease? Do you want someone to stop doing something? Do you want to see a particular area in your family change? What is it? Be specific. And once you have targeted what that end result looks like, work the steps, preferably backwards. If we have this end result, how did we get there? Put those steps down and write them out in phases to facilitate the process. That is all I have for you today, my friends, and I thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing. It does help our algorithm. And also share the video. I will see you next time when we complete steps 5 through 9 on change. Bye for now.